So your offer has been accepted and we're moving forward to the inspection period. What we're going to talk about today is what a home inspection is and the request for repairs. When you go into this house, we want to make sure that the home is exactly what you expect it to be, that there's nothing else wrong with it that we didn't see as we walk through the first time. Oftentimes you're looking at the home and you see the view, you see the pool, and you're sold. So here's our chance to inspect the home. We're going to have a full general home inspection done. It depends on the home itself, but you may have specific inspections done like the roof, the air conditioner, the HVAC system, sewer lines, septic tanks, whatever inspections that we need to do, electrical, anything like that. Once we get the inspection done, if we find anything wrong that wasn't expected or told to us up front, we're able to request a repair from the seller. At that point, there's different ways we can approach it. We want to have a real strong negotiating point for them to do the repairs and convince them that this should be done and that it's important. So we're going to have professional inspectors, possibly have estimates drawn up for them so they can see the cost to fix what it is. At the back end of that, if they decide that they don't want to do the repairs, there's another option for you, and we might be able to get a credit so that you can keep some of your cash in your pocket. The advantages of that are also that you get to choose who does the work, when it's done, and how much it might cost even. You can negotiate that. So if you have any additional questions about the inspection process, that contingency, or the request for repairs, please give me a call, 619-329-5829.